What's up, you guys? It's Flawless Britny here, and today I'm back with another video, a hair review this time. I'm reviewing Julee hair. Julee hair, be beautiful everywhere. And this is their body wave hair. I have in 4 bundles and a lace closure. I'm gonna put it somewhere in here, the exact length, but I think it's a 20-inch closure, 22, 24, 26 inch bundles. It's really long. It's really long. I love it, actually. I really love this hair so far, you know. I'm gonna update you guys. What I like to do is typically I put the hair in and then I wear it, and I'll update you guys in the comment section down below so I don't have to make like a complete new video, because I don't wear my hair like really long for like months and stuff. But anyway, let's get into this. So this is body wave. Now, if you know about virgin hair or hair in general, you know that if you get the body wave texture, usually people get the body wave texture because the bundles seem to be fuller and more dense. When you get a sew-in, like for instance, if you were to get a sew-in with this exact same length with straight hair, it will probably not look this full, you know what I'm saying? But I love big hair and I love fullness. Another thing I love about their hair is full to the ends. As you can see, can you guys see that? So like, I don't like when bundles are super tapered out to the end. Like, I actually did squeeze all 4 bundles into, oh, this is a wig I made, by the way. I know you guys are probably wondering. This is actually a wig. I sewed the hair onto a dome cap, and then I basically just put it on my head. And I was gonna bleach the knots on the lace closure, but I was just being lazy and I didn't feel like doing it. So I actually just threw this braid in the front, like boom, this little butterfly braid, and it looks so cute. I actually really like it. The thing I like about this company, when they reached out to me, they were very nice and respectful. There was like no urgency. I don't know, I don't like when they create a sense of urgency on me to make videos. That makes me want to make the video faster and you know, better. So anyway, you guys, I'm 5'4", and the hair, I mean, it's wavy, so obviously it's like longer than what it actually shows. So like, being that it's wavy, if I was to straighten it out, it would probably go to my butt, but right now it goes like to my waist, basically to my waist. So yeah, you guys, I really love this hair. And you know, it's funny because I really don't even like body wave hair like that. The last time I had body wave hair, usually what I would just do is like put ponytails and stuff like that in my hair, like do hair tutorials and stuff, because I don't like to wear it. It's just the texture. The texture usually seems really boring to me, but honestly, it's something about theirs. Also, it looks like really black on camera. I love that because I like black hair, but like in the sunlight, when you, yeah, like when I was looking at it in the sunlight, it's like dark brown. So you know, that's the color that you get, a natural dark brown, blackish color, kind of like a 1B color or whatever. I don't know if they offer different colors on their website, but I am going to link their website down below, all of their information about this hair and everything like that. Also, I forgot to mention, you guys, they did send me a couple of other things, so I'm just going to dive right in. $10 off your order if you post a photo and stuff like that. Instructions on how to care for the hair. I know y'all can't see that, but yeah, I already know how to care for the hair, but you know, if you didn't know, they have a little thing that goes in, that comes with it. Then they sent me this shower cap. This is so cute because like, I don't even have a shower cap. At first I thought it was a bonnet. They also sent this little makeup blender. They sent as a gift was this paddle brush. This is so cute. But I'm happy because I actually needed one of these too. So thank you guys for sending this to me. I'm really grateful. And that's all that was in the bag. So yeah, let me just put this stuff back up. So that's all I have for you guys today. I'm really loving this hair. I love this wig. You definitely will be seeing more of this on my Instagram. If you don't follow me, go follow me now at flawlessbritny on Instagram. And also go like my Facebook page. Yes, I have a Facebook page. If you have Facebook, go like it. It's called Flawless Britny. Pretty much all of my social media is the same. I'm lucky. Flawless Britny on everything. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this hair, let me know. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. Yes, subscribe to my channel. If you're watching this video, don't just slide up in here and not subscribe to my channel. Diamond Nation, baby. Bye.